Welcome to our channel. Today we how to record Zoom meeting step by step clearly. To record a Zoom meeting, start by opening the Zoom application on your device. Sign in to your Zoom account if you haven't already. Schedule a new meeting or select a previously scheduled meeting from your list. Before the meeting begins, click on the settings icon in the top right corner. In the settings menu, scroll down to the recording section. Ensure that the option for Record the meeting automatically is turned on if you want to start recording automatically. You can choose to record either to the cloud or to your local computer. If you choose to record locally, make sure to note the file path for easy access later. Once your meeting starts, click on the Record button at the bottom of the Zoom window. You'll see a recording indicator showing that your meeting is being recorded. During the meeting, you can pause or stop the recording using the controls available in the same location. To pause the recording, click on the Pause button. To resume recording, click the Resume button. When the meeting concludes, click on the Stop Recording button. After stopping the recording, the file will be processed. If you recorded locally, you can find the file in the designated folder on your computer. If you recorded to the cloud, log into your Zoom account online to access your recordings. Once processed, you can download or share the recording with participants as needed. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.